Hey guys, it's Josh from Krios Photography here again. As you can see, I'm currently at Driver Wood Airsoft. Currently there's about 40 to 50 players on site. It is a Saturday morning, so it is a little bit quiet. I'm using a Canon 5D Mark IV today with a 70-200mm lens. We'll see how today goes. I think I got some good shots, but I'll let you guys be the judge of that. Enjoy the video.
I think everyone's got that way. Where's everyone gone? You got eyes on? What's that? Huh? I was trying to get the target down. Are we on screen a minute, isn't it? There we go. Because it was blue and it went to green straight away.
Just making my money.
Hello, I like money.
Oh, that got you.
Huh?
That got you. Oh, I even got the BB that hit you.
Huh?
You got the BB that hit you. There it is.
Oh shit. Where did you get hit? Huh? No.
Dun, 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 dun. Do you know where to find the photos? Perfect. Dun, 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 dun.
Smile, Josh.
Beautiful. Go on, model for me. I regret my decision sitting here. Oh dear. Well, you know where the photos are, so you can send them to him.
Yes, thank you.
No worries. Oh, that's a good one. I'm not trying to give your position away, but I'm giving your position away. Do you know where to find them? Do you know where to find the photos? I'll be there in a minute. No hurry. That's good. Dun 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 dun. Whoop. Dun. No worries. Give me a second, I've got to get my settings right.
Yeah, man.
Oh, Gucci. There you go, look at that, beautiful. Stay in there.
Easy money, mate.
Stay in there.
Yeah? Other side?
Yeah. Oh! No, if you want to go by the window here, if you go by the window there, trust me, and you want to aim out that window, I know you're dead.
Down here?
Yeah, I know you're dead, but... Beautiful. There you go. Done.
I'm actually dead.
Huh?
I'm actually dead.
Oh, I thought you were. Okay, moving away. You're definitely not posing. You're definitely not posing. Oh. Oh, now go back, come on.
Wait there. That's more like it.
Lunge. Yes.
Sweaty.
Spread them.
Where the fuck is everyone?
Hiding from you.
I know.
Like when they see your legs, when you see your legs lunge like that, they're kind of like, ah! Oh, that hit me. Whew.
Did you say you range checked him? No, I'm asking for permission. Absolutely, mate.
You guys definitely aren't posing, are you? No worries. Oh dear. Where am I going? Let's go this way. Oh dear. Smile.
Hello.
Oh dear. Oh, it's Mr. Lungy again. There it is.
Lungy. Like that. Look at you.
Go on, go back to it.
Classic lunge.
There you go. Oh dear, you're gonna have a wedgie, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're totally not posing, are you?
Yeah, I saw the camera. I thought this is my moment.
I'm gonna be famous. Look, they're coming to arrest you now. Yeah. Now look tactical. You're saying you always look tactical.
Thank you.
There you go.
Very nice.
Do you know where to find them?
Yeah, on Facebook, right?
Yeah, I put the link on the group, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yes. You're totally not posing, are you?
Waiting for him.
Especially when they're good photos.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I never end up getting any pictures.
Well, you got some pictures.
Down there.
Ah, so you've got pictures now. I love it how you don't even like. You're like, oh, camera, hand down. There you go.
Thanking you.
Beautiful.
Get the box if you can.
I'm walking in front of you.
If we go right through the forest, yeah? If we go that way through the forest, we'll get to it. Alright guys, listen up, hold your fire.
Third max the charm. Fourth max the charm. Fifth mag the chance. You're running out of ammo. Got enough ammo there? Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. It's hugely appreciated. So you're all aware, my current plan is to try and do these every single week. I'm going to upload every Thursday afternoon, so it means that you have plenty of time to watch them. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. It would be, again, hugely appreciated. Thank you, and see you next time.